Good day, guys. Andrew here with your update. Today is March 12th, 2012, and the first thing I want to talk to you about is the double top. So, question is, what is a double top? A term used in technical analysis to describe the rise of a stock, a drop, another rise to the same level as the original rise, and finally another drop. And so, as we can see, a top one, nice pullback, a bull market, top two, and then a bear market going forward. And so, I see the same thing happening again. If you look at this chart, around this time period when silver made the high of 49.82, we had a top, nice pullback, a rally, came close to this top. It ended around 49.70, and then a huge pullback. Another example would be right here again. We had a top right here at 44.45, or 45, pullback, a bull market going forward to around 43.62, and then a nice sell-off. And so I really think the same thing is happening again. Oh, and here's another one, but at a smaller level. 34.61, pullback, came close, well, up to around 33.77, and then nice sell-off going forward. So I really think the same thing is going to happen again. Silver did this 3 times in the past. Wouldn't surprise me if it does it one more time to make it a 4th. So silver right now 37.72, pullback. We saw a small pullback here because Bernanke is going to make a speech tomorrow, and I think people are freaking out because the last time he made the speech, silver plunged, what is it, like $2, and gold $100. And so I really think Bernanke is going to open his mouth this time, for the good of the silver markets. Because when Bernanke opens his mouth, he says a bunch of BS, and to help the Dow, the Nasdaq, because it normally goes up after he finishes talking. So another thing that I want to know is if Bernanke announces QE, hop on the bandwagon, and at the same day sell out. And so I really think this is gonna pop forward, and my evidence to support that is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I stated that we're in a 5-wave Elliott wave structure, and so far we have the 3, nice pullback, which could be the 4, and then we should have a 5th going forward. Another alternative is that if Bernanke does not say what we expect him to say, and if it was actually bearish news, expect a pullback of around this level right here. And expect a pullback around 61.80%, because a wave 4 could go lower, but no lower than this level right here. So the wave 4 may not be complete. It looks complete, it bounced off of this 78.6% Fibonacci relations, but you can see this going forward, and then a possible 5th going up. And then I project the 5th should go around 161.8% of wave 3. So that will be our target for the Dow, and then we should see a nice pullback going forward. So let's see. So just something to keep in mind. On my Facebook page, I stated that I sold out on all my inverse positions for silver. I bought my silver around 34.4, and this is inverse, so when it goes down you make money. And I sold out today around right here 33, 33.6, somewhere around there, because right now if I kept my inverse position, that would be called gambling, and you don't want to gamble at a time like this, especially when I think a double top is forming. Now what you can do is when you get close to these levels, you might want to go back in the market, for inverse relations, because you can see a nice pullback. Or if you don't want to risk it, because if you think it's too risky, just wait for the pullback, and then once it hits around the $26 mark, that's when you want to buy in. It could go a little bit lower to 25, who knows. But if it hits right here, that'll be a good buying opportunity. That's your market update. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or concerns, contact me through Facebook or email, and stay tuned for next week. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.